Stock number 40527W to 2016 Toyota Highlander. It does have a key, does not start. So you got paint problems on the front bumper. Oh. Got a little parking lot ding right there in the back door. Got some paint problems up there. Got a little dent up there. Paint problems down there. It does have a key, it does not start. All the parts for the inside of this car are in the back. The glove box, everything. All the parts are in the back. It has a sunroof. There's the passenger side visor. The driver visor's in the back. Every part for the car's back here. Everything. All still good condition. You got the seats right here on both sides. That door's locked. That door's locked. Stock number 40527W. It's a 2016 Toyota Highlander.